this? It's day 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, day 3. It's voting day. We are checking out, here's the hotel, see that? We are checking out of this hotel today, thank goodness, and going to the Bellagio tonight. But today we are waiting for the bus and we're taking a Western Rim tour, which is on the Indian reservation, to the Grand Canyon. So it's the Indian reservation side because that's all that's open with COVID. So we're just waiting for the bus and we're gonna go out. They're gonna give us hot breakfast. Well, we paid for it. And we'll get lunch there also. So waiting for the bus. And I see a bus. That might be our bus, so let me go. First stop, most important meal of the day, breakfast at the Omelet House. Jacob got a ranch special. Ooh, them potatoes on top look yummy. And I got pancakes and eggs and sausage. Yummy. We're going up to see the Hoover Dam. It's another, is this like 5 miles? Is that what this is? Jacob?
No.
Oh, there's a lot of steps though. I may die.
Here it is. Somebody's too out of breath to talk, but there's your Hoover Dam. She's out of shape.
Now this is totally different. See how this is? Right? This is that volcanic rock surrounded by the Joshua trees. Now when we get out,
we're having lunch at the Skyview restaurant and we got a window seat. This is our lunch view right here. Not a bad view for lunch. This is the eagle right here. There's the body of the eagle and his wings here. Not a bad lunch view, huh? Jacob inside the little hut, the teepee. This is literally like some pine trees, just all tied together. That's kind of what it is. It's literally the pine trees. You better hold on. Fall off of there. That's awesome. Hold on to the like with your fingers, like on.
You gotta get that horrified look, though.
You don't look scared.
That's the best I got.
So Jacob is climbing way up there somewhere. I'm not so interested in that. This is where he's going. Up on the point. I'll just stay down here. It's fine. No big deal. Still good views.
As requested. There is y'all's view. Full 360. Plus some. cool speck. Who's that?
Okay guys, before we like mess up all the beds and everything, we have transferred to the Bellagio. What a night and day from the Excalibur. We were in a king size room. I asked them if they could switch us to 2 beds, so they did. But you know, I showed you our Excalibur room. This is the Bellagio. Let me turn the camera around. You know, don't live like this, but bed controls, drapery controls. What the heck, an iHome? You want to go back to the Excalibur? No. A little desk. It's dark, so, you know. I don't know, a lot of fancy stuff up by our TV. And then, I'm sure that's nothing. Let's go to the bathroom. Yeah. This is certainly nothing like where we were yesterday. Oh, in case you want to make a phone call in the bathroom. So this is the Bellagio. We've had a long day and we are going to settle in and hang out.